How does PCBasic continue to pass IATF 16949? Continuously passing IATF 16949 is not about last-minute preparation. It depends on a quality management system that operates consistently every day. From the beginning of each project, PCBasic reviews PCB files, BOMs, production processes, and testing requirements to identify potential risks. During production, every key step, from incoming inspection, material error prevention, and first article inspection to SPI, AOI, X-ray, and functional testing, is standardized, recorded, and traceable. Once an issue is found, the affected products are immediately isolated, the root cause is analyzed, and corrective actions are completed. IATF 16949 is more than a certificate. It is a long-term test of process control, product consistency, and continuous improvement. PCBasic continues to pass the certification because every process is strictly controlled, every day.